magananga poo, magananga bee, wherever you may be. This is Kuya Steve and Truckin with Kuya Steve. Part of this is our Philippines. And like I said, we're doing some night driving this week, so it's about 11:15 and we're getting ready to head up to Chicago and on around to Milwaukee. So grab your boots, grab your gloves, let's keep our britches between these ditches and let's get ready to roll. So without further delay, let's get this day underway. this works today. See if we can show you how we back into these places here. First thing I'm going to do is back up here to get me a better angle going in here. There's a dock right over here that I don't have to back into, so it's on my left here. Show you from this angle how we're doing. I don't know if it's going to show up or not, but we're going to try. This hill, and you got to cut it right back into that hole there. Not much to guide you back there, so too close to that car there for my comfort and everything. I don't know if you saw anything, but they said it's pretty good. Okay, shutting it off. Well, this is going to be a short one today. I'm here over in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Is that right? Wisconsin? Yeah, Wisconsin. Milwaukee. I'm over here in Milwaukee, and it was a long ride last night from Youngstown, Ohio, all the way over here. And we got here and had a full trailer for this place this morning, so it took them a good long while to get it unloaded. So by the time they got it unloaded, I was out of hours, and so I've had to park up, and we're just gonna wait till tonight and go again. So we're going over to Holland, Ohio tomorrow morning, so we're gonna go be driving through the night again to get over there in time to get our pickup over there. So we'll see what happens as we get on the road tomorrow morning and see how it goes. But that's it for tonight. Hope you enjoyed it. I know you can't see much in the backing up video, but I hope you get a sense of what kind of goes on there. And I'll try to get another better shot of backing up to the dock and stuff like that in later dates or something. So, but that's our video for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll come back to see us with Truckin' with Kuya Steve. Thanks for watching. Well, this is going to be a short one today. I got up here, like I said, drove most of the night from Youngstown, Ohio, over here to Wisconsin. I'm over here just around Minneapolis? No. Oh man, where am I at? Stop.